Hi YouTubers, quick update on the video I've just done. I haven't posted it yet, but the video I've just done was repairing the fuel leak, changing the fuel tap. Now before I did that, a few months ago, I did a carb rebuild, did the video on it, changed the diaphragms, and I also upgraded to the dynojet kit. Now I have noticed the bike, if I start it up, it's not up to temperature yet. It's warm. It's warm, but it's not hot. It's only been ticking over a few minutes. What I have noticed is I'm off choke totally now, and the pickup is so much crisper. Now that is 100% better than before I did the rebuild. The rebuilds I did earlier were full carb rebuild with all new rubbers, new diaphragms. I don't know if I did it at the same time, but I did a dynojet kit as well. And the difference is amazing. I haven't ridden the bike yet, but it just feels so much better, so much smoother. And I'm gonna have to start the bike again because it just sounds lovely. You know what it's like. So. Can't wait to get it MOT'd in the next couple of weeks. Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, and any other sexies that are watching. But yeah, ride safe. Please give me a thumbs up and like the video, and then I can maybe get 2 or 3 subscribers. Cheers.